Welcome to another video. I am Dr. Vishal and today we are going to do something that has never been done before on the internet, and that is reaction videos. And being a doctor, I am going to react on something that I have no clue about, and that is Bollywood medical videos. So let us begin one by one and let me find out what did I miss in my medical college.
I'll be okay. Lucky.
Okay, so this is looking like fun. I think he's being shifted to an operation theatre. That is what happens in the movies, which never happens in real life. Somebody is wheeling you to the operation. What?
Congratulations, Sim. Finally. Nervous?
Nervous? Very. How can somebody be nervous and be happy at the same time? The surgeons in real life are generally very focused. This is not how surgeries happen. So if you're somebody who is about to get operated, please watch this and understand that this is not how surgeries are done. As a doctor, this is not how doctors loiter around jumping and high-fiving everybody and calling themselves nervous. No, ऐसा नहीं होता है. And why are there Firang models as nurses? What Indian hospital is this?
Be a simple surgery.
All the best.
And doesn't that bald fellow remind you of somebody else?
Why? Please send me.
अक्षय कुमार को क्या आसानी से उठा के रख दिया. I think this is the origin of all that mask under the chin trend that has been going on for past year. I don't know when did this movie come. I think this is the one which has inspired everybody to wear the mask like that. No doctor in real life, and rather no person in real life should wear their mask like that. It doesn't even make any sense.
How much Profol have you given him?
10 cc.
Give him 5 cc.
Propofol ना Propofol बोलना सीख लेते ठीक से.
She's going to kill me. Save me. She's
Did
coming.
you see that bracelet hanging on the glove? I mean, I think this is why these are the movies which, when patients see, they get the impression that doctors forget things inside somebody's stomach. I think that is where the idea comes from. But let me tell you, it doesn't happen ever in real life. In fact, like personally, I am a surgeon. I have stopped wearing watches because you have to remove them all the time. Nobody, you will find no surgeon in real life ever has a bracelet hanging on to his gloves on his wrist when he's operating. And I don't know. I mean, how difficult it is to have a doctor on the set or whenever you are filming a medical sequence to supervise and tell you what is right, what is wrong. Why do I have a feeling that that bracelet is about to get lost? Same bracelet that we were just watching? Now this is interesting. Oh, what? No, the bracelet is still there. There's something completely else which is left inside. Guys, don't get scared. Okay? This almost never happens. So, I mean, I don't know what exactly is going on, but in real life, this is something that I personally have never seen. And I think a lot of surgeons will agree with this fact that it is almost a stereotype which has been blown out of proportion that doctors tend to forget something inside somebody's body. It almost never happens.
मेरे परमिशन के बिना इस हॉस्पिटल को छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते.
तूने बिल भरा?
पूरा भरा भाई.
अब किसी का बाप नहीं रोक सकता. मैं जा रहा हूँ घर अपने.
ऐसे कैसे जा सकते हो?
कैसे जा सकता? Watch me.
What?
Hey, don't touch me.
विराज, why don't you understand?
Now you understand me. मुझे अगर पहले पता होता कि तुम मेरा ऑपरेशन करने वाले तो मैं मर भी जाता, लेकिन तुमसे ऑपरेशन नहीं करवाता. हाथ तो लगा के दिखाओ तुम मुझे. मेरे सारे लॉयर तुमको हाथ लगाएंगे सब जगह.
I think this is where all the habit or the idea that you can be abusive towards a doctor comes from. I mean, this is just one example. I think there are more examples, and a lot of doctors will agree that at some point they have been at the receiving end of either verbal or physical abuse. So I believe that if they show that this is okay in the movies, people invariably, or let's say passively, learn from it, and then that is what we see happening so many times in the real world. Okay, so that one was really fun because it was about a surgeon and something which was happening inside the operation theatre that I can understand, relate to, and tell you more about. Now let's see what do we have next. Rustam Eye Clinic. Oh, so it is surgery day today. So this is Badshah.
I'm sorry. कोई बात नहीं. क्या है कि पूरा कॉम्प्लेक्स लोखंड वाला ने बनाया ना, इसलिए सारी बिल्डिंग्स एक जैसी हैं.
So I think besides the Lokhand wala joke, I think the whole TikTok trend of sympathy for the blind romance triangle thing, I think the root of that is what we are seeing over here. I guess this is a 90s movie that all the 90s kids have grown up with, but it is still going on that, you know, you have sympathy for a blind person and then he gets operated and then there is a blooming love story.
मस्तान वाला.
हाँ, of course. Excuse me.
Yes, आप लोगों का अपॉइंटमेंट है?
हाँ, हमारा 8:05 का अपॉइंटमेंट था, लेकिन हम आधा मिनट लेट हो गए.
ओह ठीक है. आप लोग बैठिए. डॉक्टर साहब अभी ऑपरेशन थिएटर में, अभी आते होंगे. हाँ. सुपर हिट ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल. अरे कितना बड़ा ऑपरेशन था. मैंने एक बच्चे को मेंढक की आंख फिट करके आया. बोलो.
मेंढक की आँख.
I want that confidence, you know, like after a surgery when I come out, if like someday my confidence game is 1000 on 1000, maybe I can come close to that.
तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है डॉक्टर साहब, क्या आप इनको भी मेंढक की आंख लगाएंगे? अरे ठीक ना, मैं पागल हूँ, इसको मेंढक की आंख लगाऊंगा. अरे इसको तो मैं 2 अलग अलग आंख लगाऊंगा. एक बकरे का, दूसरा उल्लू का.
जी?
हाँ देख, बकरे की आंख से उसको दिन में दिखेगा, पर उल्लू की आंख से उसको रात में भी दिखेगा. डबल बजाने सिंगल डाम. डॉक्टर रुस्तम जीत का डाम.
डॉक्टर साहब आप मुझे इंसान की आंखें नहीं लगा सकते?
एक इंसान की आंख लगाने में मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पर 5000 एक्स्ट्रा होगा, उसका फायदा क्या है?
जी मैं पूरे 25,000.
नहीं सीमा, रहने दो. मैं उल्लू और बकरे की आंख से काम चला लूंगा.
All that I would say is that अगर आप कभी आंखों के डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे हैं तो मेक श्योर कि आप इंसानों की आंख लगवा के आइए.
नहीं राज, तुम्हें मेरी कसम.
अभी ऑपरेशन का टाइम हो गया है, अभी अंधेरा हो जाएगा ना तो मेरे को भी दिखेगा नहीं.
क्यों?
ये जो मेरी दोनों आंखें हैं ना, ये बकरे का है. चलो सॉरी यार.
ओके.
वेरी गुड. पट्टी निकालो.
इतनी जल्दी पट्टी खोलेंगे आप?
अरे दिख रही, ये लेजर ऑपरेशन है, इसमें तुरंत पट्टी निकालना पड़ता है. कंप्यूटर ऑपरेशन होता है ना तो हम लोग पट्टी लगाते नहीं है.
Now I know where the whole laser operation things come from. That is why everybody is asking laser operation. It's been going on since ages. So I guess this is where they learned that laser operation is the best operation. It is happening for real. Like I actually deal with people who think that laser is their magic cure for all the kind of diseases that they have.
मैं देख सकता हूँ, मुझे सब दिखाई दे रहा है. और डॉक्टर साहब आप कितना अच्छा हिलते हैं.
बहुत प्रैक्टिस किया दिख रहा है.
थैंक यू डॉक्टर.
Oh, I'm so happy.
I am never going to eye doctor again. I'm happy with my chashma. And so the next one is an old movie, and I guess this is what doctors used to be back in the day.
लेडीज फर्स्ट. क्या? महिला पहले. कहिए श्रीमती जी, आपको क्या कष्ट है? आप डॉक्टर हैं, आप ही देखिए, मैं कुत्ते बिल्ली का डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ, मैं इंसानों का डॉक्टर हूँ. आप अपने मुंह से बताइए ना, आपको क्या कष्ट है? सिर्फ कांपने लगे हो. कब कपाहट? अरे बाप रे, ये तो बहुत खौफनाक बीमारी है. कहाँ है कब कपाहट? क्या? क्या है?
Okay, so if you ever go to a doctor, again, I will reiterate this, I will tell you again that this is almost never how it goes. A real doctor is not somebody who would be as casual as this gentleman over here is. And for females especially, if you are being examined by a doctor, make sure that you always have another female with you. I mean, that is the rule. That is what we have been taught. And I think if this is what people, the impression that people carry, then I mean, it is completely wrong, and I am really sorry for them. But it is fun to watch nevertheless.
अब मैं आपका अच्छी तरह मुआयना करूंगा.
Moina. What did he do?
मैं समझ गया.
I think वो finally nurse को बुलाएगा.
खाना तैयार करो.
क्या मतलब?
अरे भाई नीला पानी.
हाँ.
जी आप
This actually happens. Patients come and they ask that आप हमको saline दोगे क्या? And I think this is what they expect, that they come with a problem and a doctor is not a doctor if he does not give you something through your veins and hangs a bottle on your head. I think this is where all those ideas come from.
मेरे साथ चलिए. मैं आपको मिक्सर भी दे दूंगा और आपको दही बत्तीस भी दे दूंगा. आइए.
What is this guy exactly doing here?
थर्मामीटर निकल गया. मामा. अरे थर्मामीटर खा गया. बोल भैया मेरे पास सिर्फ एक ही थर्मामीटर है. मुझे दे दो. वापस दे दो.
Okay, so this is funny but can actually happen if somebody is not careful enough. And back in the day, thermometers used to have mercury in it, which I believe is more poisonous, and then they changed it to alcohol, which is still less poisonous. But swallowing a thermometer can be a difficult situation to deal with, so please take care of that.
दे दो ना. ऐसे नहीं मानेगा. पहले खत्म कर चुका है. दूसरा आदम नहीं करने दूंगा. उल्टा करो उसको. उल्टा
डॉक्टर, ये बच्चे, मेरी ड्यूटी खत्म. पकड़ो इसे.
अरे ये क्यों बचे? ये मेरे टाइम का कानून क्यों बनाया? मुझ पर ही लागू हो गया. मेरी जितनी उम्मीद है ले
I guess I should have become a doctor at those times and not in these times don't seem as fun in real life as they show in the movies. It is much more fun to become a doctor in the movies. So let me know, how did you find the video? I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And is there anything that I should talk about, maybe discuss with you? Then drop a comment down below. Like the video, share it with your friends, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. And I will see you in the next one.